posted to various locales across Germany. Struve was a capable student who, like Eckhart, studied in Heidelberg, and he joined a student fraternity in the early 1820s that was shortly thereafter forced to disband. Emerging from school, Struve went to work in the civil service but was never comfortable with the job, and he left after just a few years to take up a private legal practice, eventually settling in Mannheim. Unlike Eckhart, Struve did not enter politics as a politician, but rather as a writer and sometimes journalist, penned articles in support of the radical opposition. In these articles and at political meetings he attended, Struve too started combining democratic radicalism with proto-socialism, and he constantly argued against the inert conservatism of Metternich that failed to address either the political or the social question. Meeting Eckhart during the turbulent days of the mid-1840s, the two commingled their ideas and became strong proponents of sweeping aside the whole monarchical system, and would soon be advocating for German unification by way of a federal republic, rather than through the auspices of the existing monarchies. Now, over the course of 1847, political radicals in Bonn, like Eckhart and Struve, began planning a big meeting where they could all get together and hash out a united political program that would be more aggressive than the one offered by cautious liberals. So on September the 12th, 1847, something like 800 or 900 radicals assembled at Offenburg for the creatively titled Offenburg Assembly. There, Eckhart dazzled the assembly with another of his great speeches, where he introduced them all to the 13 demands, which would, unbeknownst to them at the time, become the founding platform of their coming revolutionary movement. The 13 demands included everything from the standard list of liberal political goals, to cancel the repressive Carlsbad decrees and open the door to freedom of the press and academic freedom,